All right, y'all. In this next video here, we're going to show you the concept of actually rolling the ball correctly. Okay, but first things first, your position of your hand is very, very important when you're bowling. Now, this part of your hand, when you bowl, always needs to be facing the floor. This part of your hand, the lovely part of your hand, needs to always be facing up. So when you're in your bowling stance, you know, holding the ball correctly, like Coach Stuckey showed you in the previous video, you gotta make sure that, hey, the back of your hand I showed you is facing the floor, and the opposite side, the lovely hand, is facing up. Because if you have it the opposite way, you're gonna be bowling this way, which is incorrect. You don't wanna be bowling in this manner. It's incorrect, and plus you might injure your wrists, your fingers, who knows, okay? So first things first, make sure that, hey, back of my hand is facing down, top part of my hand is facing up. Once you have that position correct, then you can begin. Now we put down a little pillowcase there as our foul line, which you don't want to cross, okay? So you want to set it to it. Now the foot on the opposite side of the bowling ball is the foot you're going to step forward on. Let me show you what it looks like looking forward. The ball is on this part of my body. This foot is going to go forward, all right? So once you have that ready, take that opposite foot forward, go back tick, top, and then roll. Now that. All right, so quick, quick reminders of the correct form of bowling. Again, when you roll the ball, you gotta make sure to step with the opposite foot. If you have the ball low, you're going down, the ball stays down. You don't want to have it up in the air. It's a bowling ball. It's gotta go down on the floor when you're bowling. Okay. Now that's with a bowling ball. Now, if you don't have a bowling ball at home, obviously, the next best thing, what Coach Cuellar said in the earlier video, it's a sock ball, all right? But same cues. Again, the back of the hand facing the floor, top of the hand facing up, go to your foul line, take a couple steps behind, then opposite foot again, tick, tock, make sure it stays low to the floor, and then roll towards the pins and see how you do.